The future is electric. The RYOBI R1 30-inch riding mower. HP technology combines brushless motors, advanced electronics, and 80-volt lithium high-performance battery technology, delivering power without the hassle of gas, oil, belts, and engine maintenance. Experience more power than a 16-horsepower gas engine in a compact frame that fits through most gates. Cut up to 1 acre on a single charge with the included 80-volt 14-amp-hour lithium battery. Handle obstacles and tight landscaping easily. The 30-inch 14-gauge steel deck houses 2 durable steel blades to deliver superior cutting. The integrated storage bed provides added utility, making this the industry's most versatile compact riding lawnmower. Monitor battery level, charge status, blade life, and more on the RYOBI app. Bagging kit is available for fall cleanup and a better-looking lawn. If your riding mower requires attention, a RYOBI certified technician can diagnose and service right from your home. The RYOBI R1 80-volt HP 30-inch riding mower. Unmatched power, unrivaled innovation, only at the Home Depot.